Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study at home step by step. First, set up a dedicated study area that is quiet and free from distractions. This helps your brain associate the space with learning. Next, create a consistent daily study schedule. For example, dedicate 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the evening. Breaking down large tasks into smaller, manageable sessions, perhaps 30 to 45 minutes each, makes them less daunting and more achievable. Once your environment is set, focus on active learning. Instead of passively reading, summarize key points in your own words and ask yourself questions about the material. Utilize tools like flashcards for quick recall or quiz yourself regularly on topics you've covered. A highly effective method is to explain difficult concepts aloud to an imaginary student or a family member. This truly solidifies your understanding. Effective time management is crucial for sustained study. Try the Pomodoro technique, working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break. After 4 such cycles, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. These regular pauses prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Remember to review your weekly progress and be flexible, adjusting your study plan as needed to optimize your learning. Don't hesitate to leverage available resources. Explore online educational platforms, watch video tutorials, and practice with past papers to reinforce your learning. If you encounter challenges, reach out to your teachers or classmates for clarification and support. Crucially, prioritize your overall well-being. Ensure you get 8 hours of sleep, eat nutritious meals, and incorporate at least 30 minutes of physical activity daily.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.